Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, well, it's not hard to find linen in your house, Sue, because you have these linens everywhere. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. And I so love you have these in your bathroom, in your bedroom, in your beautiful dining room. I took some still shots on this shelf. There's a little table over there. Oh, wow. Well, it's just such a gorgeous room. This is kind of fun. But I wanted you to tell, because I never had really seen instructions. And over Christmas, you actually talked me through the whole process. How do you starch these linens?
I starch the linens by using Stay Flow.
Mm-hmm. So it's a liquid starch. You can buy it anywhere.
You can buy it at the grocery store, Walmart, anywhere.
Yep.
And then you mix it on the back. It tells you if you want it a firm, heavy starch, light. You know, you can mix it to what you want.
Oh, so it's like 2 for 1, 2 parts water, 1 part starch. Okay.
Water.
Yep.
And I do that, and then I wash the linens, then I starch them, then I hang them out on the clothesline.
So they're really wet when you hang them out?
They're really wet.
Okay.
I mean, you wring them out, but you know, you hang them, they still are dripping. You let them dry, then you bring them in, and I've got this little bottle that I sprinkle water on.
In the old days, you know, my mom used to have an old Pepsi bottle with remember a little cork at the top? That's what we're talking about?
Yes.
Or you could use a spray bottle from...
I have a spray.
Oh,
yes.
see, we've moved up. We're another century. We're so modern. Yeah.
We are. So you dampen them, then I roll them up, and I put them in a plastic bag and let them set for a day, and then I have the fun of ironing them, and they are beautiful.
They are beautiful. And your iron, you use a hot iron, steam, no steam?
I do use a steam
You do use a steam iron. Okay.
That's what I do.
Gosh. So this at your house is like an annual job? What?
Yes. Once a year they usually get washed.
Oh my gosh. How many? Do you have any guesses? How many?
It used to be twice a year, but now it's once a year.
Just hundreds, dozens? How many of these do you do?
I have them in every room, so yes,
I think we're going to start a new trend. I'm going to send this to Stayflow. They'll be so delighted.
I don't necessarily do it all in one day. I mean, I'll do one room, and then when I'm doing my fall or spring house cleaning, then I take off the...
Oh gosh, Sue. Thank you for being my friend. You're just here to make the rest of us look bad.
Well, thanks, Rita. It's really an easy thing to do.
That's what you think.
It makes things beautiful, especially curtains.
Oh gosh, and yes, and your white curtains. I know it's too much. I'm gonna go home now and starch things.
Yeah, you should because you have a clothesline.
Well, okay. On that, we are in total agreement.